नाराज मत हुआ करिए और वो भी चेयर से।
ढीला ढक्कर काम मत करिए।
मैं आपके अंदर से आपके अंदर जो प्यार है उसको निकालूंगा और आप सबको कांग्रेस में बदलूंगा। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।
करुणा गो, करुणा गो, गो करुणा, गो करुणा, करुणा गो, करुणा गो, गो करुणा।
ची 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 क्या क्या ची 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 क्या क्या ची 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 का का ची 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 क्या क्या ची 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 क्या क्या ची 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 जो हमसे टकराएगा चूर चूर हो जाएगा, जो हमसे टकराएगा चूर चूर हो जाएगा।
Hello everyone, this is Swastika Shruti and I'm back with a super exciting video, and the topic is the least educated politicians of India who are or had been leading the nation. India is the world's biggest democracy and politics is something that hits the peak. But many must have taken this politics for granted, and that is why we have and is experiencing leaders who have come to run the country with null or minimum education. And maybe that might be the reason of misbalance in development or the growth of India. Here we bring you the list of educated or least educated leaders of India. So the top first name comes in, and that is Rabri Devi. Lalu Prasad Yadav's wife, Rabri Devi, was married to the former at the age of 14 years and did not even complete her formal education. She always has been interested in household activities but was introduced to politics by husband, that is Lalu Yadav, in 1997. With merely any knowledge or experience in politics, she became the Chief Minister of Bihar. While her official candidate affidavit says she is a non-metric, it is believed that she may have only received basic elementary education before getting married at the age of 14.
गुजरात में इतना लोग गाड़ी दे रहा है भारत सरकार के, राज्य सरकार के, वहाँ के मोटरसाइकिल पर घूम रहा है, वहाँ के सरकार जो है मोटरसाइकिल पर घूम रहा है, प्रचार कर रहा है घर घर। जब इतना विकास कर दिए हैं और लोग के देश के भलाई कर दिए हैं तो घर घर जाने के क्या जरूरत है? चाहे राज्य सरकार हो चाहे भारत सरकार हो, घर घर जाने के क्या जरूरत है? सब लोग तो विकास करिए लिया है, तो विकास कर लिए तो घर बैठल वोट मिलता है आपको, सराहता लोग कि आप घर बैठिए, हम आपको वोट देते हैं, जिताते हैं।
Phulan Devi. The former dacoit never went to school and was forced into marriage to a much older man when she was very, very young. After she surrendered and was released on parole, she joined the Samajwadi Party and became the member of parliament from Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. She was shot by an assassin outside her residence in Delhi.
Okay, see you. Thank you very much.
Tejaswi Yadav, the former Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar and Lalu Yadav's youngest son, Tejaswi, started his political career in 2015 when he was elected to Bihar Legislative Assembly as a member of Rashtriya Janata Dal. Until then, he was busy trying to chase his dreams of becoming a cricketer, which did not work out of his favor. So at 26, Tejaswi became the youngest to assume office as a Deputy Chief Minister of an Indian state. Tejaswi had reportedly only studied till 9th standard and dropped out to pursue a career in cricket.
नहीं ये नहीं आपको इफ यू हैव लिटिल छोड़ दो ना, नहीं कुछ शर्म है तो आप लेकर के चलिए। नहीं क्यों नहीं करें? नहीं हम नहीं करें, छोड़ दो। नहीं आई विल मैम यू आर हेयर टू क्रिएट अ ड्रामा, वी नो दैट। क्यों ये कर रहे हो?
Tej Pratap Yadav. Although he is Lalu's eldest son, on paper he is reported to be a year younger to Tejaswi. But just like his brother, Tej Pratap too followed his father's footsteps and joined politics in 2015 after being elected to Bihar Legislative Assembly from Mahua constituency. He went to become the Cabinet Minister of Health as well as Minister of Environment in Nitish Kumar's government and held the post till 2017.
लालू एंड फैमिली पे बोलता है घोटाला हुआ। ठीक है, जाओ हो क्या बोले। हाँ तो सुनिए।
Smriti Irani. Union Cabinet Minister Smriti Irani, who currently holds 2 major portfolios as a Minister of Textiles and Minister of Women and Child Development, has been a prominent face in Indian political sense over the last few years. Previously, Ms. Irani had also served as Minister of Information and Broadcasting and Minister of Human Resource Development. However, she has also faced questions regarding her educational qualifications, which states that she is 12th pass with an enrollment University of Delhi at the School of Correspondence and Continuing Education.
मैंने आपके स्कूल की मार्कशीट निकाली।
क्यों?
91 में
पहले आप अपनी मार्कशीट दिखाइए।
मेरी मार्कशीट में आपको बहुत मेरिट मिलेगा। 10वीं क्लास में 500 में से 290, 290, 58% अच्छे मार्क्स थे। 93 12th में और अच्छे थे, 500 में 226, 65% मार्क्स थे। इतने अच्छी पढ़ने वाली स्मृति ईरानी कॉलेज क्यों नहीं गई?
गई थी, बीच में इसलिए छोड़ा क्योंकि नौकरी किसी और शहर में लगी।
Uma Bharti, former Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Uma Bharti has held multiple state level and cabinet portfolios during her association with the Bharatiya Janata Party. Minister of Human Resource Development, Tourism, Youth Affairs and Sports, as well as Minister of Coal and Mines. In 2014, she became the Cabinet Minister for Water Resource, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation, and before finally serving the Minister of Drinking Water and Sanitation from 2017 to 19. Now, based on the affidavit submitted to the Election Commission for her candidate in 2014, Uma Bharti declared that she has received formal education till 6th standard.
ये नेता ही घूमने देते हैं ऐसा। आपको गलत फहमी है। ब्यूरोक्रेसी कुछ नहीं होती, चप्पल उठाने वाली होती है। चप्पल उठाती है हमारी, हम लोग ही राजी हो जाते हैं उसके लिए जी। हम अलग से, क्योंकि हमें समझाया जाता है कि आपका बहुत बड़ा चक्कर पड़ जाएगा अगर आप ऐसा हो गया तो। आपको क्या लगता है कि ब्यूरोक्रेसी नेता को घुमाती है?
Hey, wait. This was just on the basis of information. Please do not take that as an example out of anything. We'll soon get back to you with more such informative videos. Till then, stay tuned with Any News.